Okay, so for this one, oops, that's F1. This is for E, 5 holes with fillet. So what we're going to do, we're going to draw, let's do this, we'll do a rectangle. So, dimensions, so we're going to make it 6, so 5 by 5. Draws it in there nice and even for you. Just oh, dimensions. If you hit D, you see that blue. You can hit D, enter, 5, 5, and then just click where you want it to end. You could bring it up this way any way you want. Okay, so now that we have that, what we're going to do, sort of like that previous one we had if you did it, the offset will work on the center lines. So 1, so, oh, okay, that's a polyline. Let that be, if you go PR for properties, just give you an idea, that's a polyline. Polyline means one whole line. If you drag one corner, it changes everything. So what you're going to type is explode that. So it makes it individual lines. Okay, so we're going to do an offset. 1, offset. I turn my nearest off. Nearest. Okay, then we'll draw a circle. D, 1. We're just going to repeat the command. If you hit space, select where you want it. I'm just selecting at my intersection. It repeats. So I'll have that there. So then I'll do my offset. Distance, offset. And then 2.5. This will define the center. Do a circle. Midpoint. It could be your intersection as well. Diameter 2. I'm going to do my offset here real quick. 0.25. And what I'm doing is I'm just defining my center lines, make them nice and even. And if you select one wrong, just hold shift or escape and repeat. So I'm just cleaning this up. This little command is F. You can actually do just a line. And I'll clean it up like that for you. Okay, and then we'll just erase, E for erase, space. Or you can go up and you can select them all and hit D. So since I've already selected my center lines, and my center lines, I'm just going to pull this down and select my center lines. Looks good. The only thing we need to do is make our line weights. Oh, missed 1, 2, so let's pull this down. Okay, now what we're going to do, we're going to do a fillet. So fillet, instead of chamfer here, is fillet. You have to tell it the radius. So you select radius, you type the radius in, which is 0.5. If you select your line, it'll make a nice little fillet for you. Meaning it's tangent, it goes into it tangent, and it comes out tangent. That is our part there. So what we'll do, we'll do some linear dimensions, like we did before. Do the end, so you have a gap at your extension lines. And then come over here. Overall. We'll do a diameter. Do a diameter here. Let's just hit one of these radiuses. Now, if it's not a complete circle, erase that and let's pull this down to diameter or radius. And select the radius. One thing I will note is that we don't really want that there, so if you do a properties, which would be PR, or you can come, it's hitting up here. Properties. If you double click on it too, it brings the properties up. So if you want to bring properties up, double click on it. Maybe not. Select it, do PR for properties, and you can get rid of this center mark. You can do none. And then you can close that down. So that's it for that part there, which is 5 holes with fillets.